99% of students do this derivative the hard way. Here's the shortcut. Welcome back to Mental Math. Let's dive in. We're finding f prime of 1. The derivative at x equals 1. And remember, we're not doing this the hard way. There's this beautiful trick called logarithmic differentiation. It's designed for exactly these nightmare functions. Here's the trick. Take the natural log of both sides. Logarithms break products into sums and pull exponents down as multipliers, like log of a times b becomes log a plus log b, and log of a to the n becomes n times log a. Suddenly, everything's addition and subtraction. So here's our function. Step 1, hit both sides with the natural log. Natural log of f of x equals natural log of this whole mess. Now we just need to expand the right side using log rules. Let's deal with the square root first. Remember, a square root is just an exponent of 1/2. Writing it like this makes our next move obvious. The power rule for logs says we can pull that 1/2 exponent out front, already looking cleaner. Now we've got the log of a product. 3 things multiplied together. The product rule lets us split this into 3 separate logs. And there it is. 1/2 times the sum of 3 logs. Now we can tackle each piece on its own. Check out the middle term. Natural log of e to the power of something. These are inverse functions. They cancel. Just leaves us with x squared. Beautiful. Last term. Natural log of x squared plus 1 cubed. Power rule again. Pull that 3 out front. And we're done expanding. This is as simple as it gets. Now comes the payoff. Time to differentiate both sides with respect to x. Derivative of both sides. Let's see what happens. Left side needs the chain rule. Derivative of natural log of a function is 1 over the function times the derivative of the function. So we get f prime of x over f of x. On the right, 1/2 is just a constant. Pull it outside the derivative. Now we differentiate what's in the brackets. Term by term. Natural log of x. That's easy. 1 over x. Done. Next up, x squared. Power rule. 2x. Last term. 3 times natural log of x squared plus 1. Chain rule time. 3 times 1 over the inside times the derivative of the inside. The inside is x squared plus 1. Its derivative is 2x. Multiply it all together. 3 times 2x is 6x, and we're done differentiating. To isolate f prime of x, multiply both sides by f of x. There's our derivative. That's the general formula. Now for the moment of truth. Plug in x equals 1. Substitute 1 everywhere. Now we need 2 things, f of 1 and the value inside those brackets. Let's find f of 1 first. Back to the original function. Plug in 1 for every x. 1 squared is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 cubed is 8. Square root of 8e, that's f of 1. Now the bracket term. 1 squared is 1, 1 plus 2 plus 6 over 2. 6 over 2 is 3. Sum is 6. Put it all together. 1/2 times 6 is 3. 3 times square root of 8e. Almost there. Let's clean up the radical. 8 is 4 times 2. 3 times square root of 4 times 2e. Square root of 4 is 2. Pull it out. 3 times 2 times square root of 2e. Multiply the numbers. 6 times square root of 2e. That's our answer. And we never had to touch the original derivative directly. Thanks for sticking with me through this one. If you enjoyed unraveling this derivative the clever way, hit that like button and subscribe for more mental math techniques.